Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best gaming laptops under $1,000 in 2021. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an entry-level gaming laptop for casual gaming or one that pushes the limits of what you can get for under $1,000 with a premium design, build, and specs, I'll have the product for you. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. It can be tough looking for an affordable gaming laptop, especially if you're on a tight budget, and that's why the Dell Gaming G3 15 is a great option for an entry-level gaming laptop. It's got a simple design, full HD display, and modest performance that's bolstered by its strong refresh rate to provide smooth gameplay for only around $815. This laptop has a 15.6-inch screen with full HD resolution. It also packs a quad-core Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and 512GB SSD storage. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti graphics is able to utilize the 120Hz refresh rate to provide smooth performance. The black casing is simple with a compact body and weighs 5.18 pounds. The construction is solid and the textured plastic finish on the lid is a unique touch. You also get a lot of connectivity options with 2 USB 2.0 ports, a USB 3.1 port, USB Type-C port with DisplayPort support, HDMI port, and Ethernet jack. There's also a headphone jack and an SD card slot and Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support. This laptop is equipped with a dual-fan cooling system to help spread out heat and keep your system responsive. This maximizes the fan speed to keep your system cool while the processor works harder. The Alienware Command Center lets you fine-tune your settings to personalize your space and setup to make your software look and feel precisely the way you want it. You can also create a unique game profile and save it so you can launch it from anywhere. The dual speakers have 3D audio to let you hear everything that's coming your way with crisp clarity, helping immerse you in the game. The Dell Gaming G3 15 is the best budget gaming laptop under $1,000 with good mid-range specs and a lot of ports, making it a great entry point for gamers interested in their first gaming laptop. Up next, we have the Acer Nitro 5, which has a good balance of performance and price, making it one of the best gaming laptops for the money that's under $1,000, thanks to Acer upping its game over previous models. It's a great gaming laptop with good battery life, plenty of storage, and a premium feel thanks to the thin bezels and RGB-lit keyboard, all for a price of around $950. This laptop runs on Intel's i5-9300H processor with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 and comes with 8GB DDR4 RAM and a 256GB SSD that's bolstered by a 1TB HDD for added storage. The processor has a base frequency of 2.4 GHz that reaches up to 4.1 GHz thanks to the Intel Turbo Boost technology. It features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen, making all your games stand out, especially with the bezels being reduced from previous models, giving it an 80% screen-to-body ratio. The bezels also help to bring down the overall size of the casing and weighs just 5.07 pounds. The red accented keyboard has a nice 4-zone RGB backlight and is responsive and comfortable to use. The touchpad is offset slightly to the left, which may take a little getting used to, but it works well. As an added bonus, an iCarp wireless mouse is included for added value. There are lots of ports too, including one USB 3.1 Type-C, 2 USB 3.1, one with power-off charging, HDMI, headphone microphone combo jack, Ethernet port, and more. The battery life lasts up to 8 hours depending on your game settings, which is impressive at the price point. The Acer Nitro 5 2021 is a great gaming laptop under $1,000 for the money with a full HD screen, plenty of storage, and an included wireless mouse, making this a great setup for anyone who wants to game without needing to buy extra accessories or an external hard drive. There are some quality 15-inch gaming laptops out there, but if you like gaming on a bigger screen, the ASUS TUF F17 might be a great option for you that's under $1,000. This 17.3-inch laptop has a 144Hz Full HD IPS display and runs on an Intel Core i5-10300H processor. It boasts an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti graphics co-processor, 8GB DDR4 RAM, and 512GB SSD. It's awesome that you can open the chassis and have full access to the upgradable RAM and SSD. The upgradability makes the price of about $850 even sweeter. Just like the previous laptops on this list, you'll get a full slate of ports, including USB ports, an HDMI port, and an Ethernet jack, plus more for lots of connectivity. The keyboard has a red RGB backlight for a touch of style and distinct WSAD keys that stand out from the rest of the board so that they're always easy to come back to. The thin bezels add to the premium feel of the bonfire black casing for a low-key but stylish look. The cooling system is comprehensive and designed to keep the TUF F17 running at its best even during intense gaming sessions. ASUS builds its fans with a patented anti-dust cooling system which uses 2 fans connected to tunnels to expel dust from the inside of the system, helping keep it clean and extend its lifespan. The The durable MIL STD 810H military standard construction means the tough F17 is built and tested to withstand extreme conditions including cold, heat, and humidity. The ASUS TUF F17 is the best 17-inch gaming laptop for under $1,000, with a large, Full HD display and solid refresh rate and a build that meets strict durability standards, putting it in a unique class of gaming laptop that's suited for taking on your own awesome adventures. You can get quite specific when it comes to finding the right gaming laptop, but for people that just want a gaming laptop with high performance and offers plenty of features, the Lenovo Legion 5 is going to be the go-to option for most people. It's an amazing AMD gaming laptop with 3D audio and impressive performance for the price of around $960. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor featuring 8 cores, 16 threads, and an 8MB cache, this delivers solid performance all around. Graphics are powered by the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti for advanced GPU architecture that will immerse you in both incredible realism and performance in your games. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is anti-glare with a brightness of 250 nits and a 120Hz refresh rate for stable online gaming performance. There's also 8GB DDR4 RAM and 1TB HDD in addition to 512GB SSD to hold your gaming library. The keyboard is backlit with a white light, which might not be fancy but is a fair trade-off for the level of gaming performance you get. Port selection is excellent with multiple USB Type-A 3.2 ports, USB-C port with DisplayPort support, HDMI 2.0, mic and headphone combo jack, and an Ethernet port. Cooling is handled by the Legion Cold Front 2.0 system for amazing thermal efficiency. The system cools and dissipates heat via a dual-channel thermal mechanism and dedicated copper heat pipes to keep you gaming at your best. A 2-watt Harman Kardon speaker system provides 3D audio for a surround sound experience. I also love that there's Dolby Atmos headphone support so you can listen the way you prefer, even when watching movies. The Lenovo Legion 5 is the best gaming laptop for most people with a powerful AMD processor that's great for gaming as well as content creation. The 3D audio elevates the experience, making this a great laptop for enjoying games, movies, and more. Last on our list is the MSI GF65 15.6-inch gaming laptop, pushing the limits of what you can get for under $1,000 with a premium design, build, and specs. The MSI GF65 15.6-inch is a function-rich laptop that's thin, sleek, and packed with performance to make this list at a price of about $1,000. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen has thin bezels to increase the screen-to-body ratio and bring the dimensions of the chassis down to a trim 14.13 by 9.99 by 0.85 inches and a weight of only 4.1 pounds for extra portability. The display has a 120Hz refresh rate, helping get the most out of the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti GPU, while the CPU is an Intel Core i7 with a 2.6 GHz clock speed that can be boosted to 4.5 GHz. There's also 512GB SSD storage space and 8GB DDR4 RAM, so there's a solid amount of storage and power for housing and running games, plus slots for easy upgrading. There are also all the ports you need, including Ethernet, USB 3.2 ports, USB Type-C, HDMI, and more. The backlit keyboard is comfortable to use and the trackpad is responsive as well. The battery is designed for great efficiency, getting up to 7 hours on a single charge for lots of gaming before needing to plug in. There's also dedicated cooling for the CPU and GPU thanks to MSI's Cooler Boost 3 system to ensure your games maintain top performance even under pressure. A really cool feature is the MSI App Player, which provides seamless gaming experience between mobile games and PC platforms so you can connect to more games and enjoy them more fully. The MSI GF65 15.6-inch is the best overall gaming laptop under $1,000, with specs that push the boundary of a mid-range gaming laptop, expandable storage, and an app player for mobile games, making this a great laptop for any kind of gamer. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.